Today we're smoking some trout, and when I smoke trout or salmon, what you want to do is make sure that before you smoke it, you have a pellicle on the meat. And what a pellicle is a thin film that covers the meat, and it will make the smoke adhere to the meat better, and will also slow the cooking process down. So it's very important to do this before you smoke the meat. So first you'll brine it, either in a wet or a dry brine. Then you'll set it in front of a fan. Or you can also do this in your fridge by just not covering it with saran wrap, but leaving it open and leaving it in the fridge overnight. Or like I said, you can put it in front of a fan for about 3 to 5 hours in a cool room, and that air blowing over the top of the fish is going to create that pellicle on the meat. Once you have that, then you can go ahead and smoke the fish. So we had our pellicle on this, so we're going to go ahead and smoke this trout.